Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to go over what stratified columnar epithelium is. The epithelium is the outer thin layer of tissue made up of a continuous layer of cells that lines the external surfaces of the body, organs and blood vessels, in addition to the internal surfaces of the hollow organs within the body. There are several types of epithelium found lining the surfaces of the body. These can be distinguished based on a mixture of the number of layers of cells the epithelium is made up of and the shape of the epithelial cells. When the epithelium consists of two or more layers of epithelial cells, this is called stratified. When the epithelial cells are elongated and the height of the cell is longer than the width, they are called columnar cells. Stratified columnar epithelium is made up of two or more layers of cells where the apical layer of cells is columnar in shape. The cells underneath may be cuboidal as well as columnar in shape. Only one layer, the lowest layer, known as the basal cells, sit on the basement membrane. These basal cells divide, replacing the cells above them as the ones at the top get sloughed off or die. The stratified columnar epithelium is an uncommon type of epithelium and is not found in many places. An example of where this type of epithelium is located is lining the lumen and parts of the urethra. As seen here in a section of the urethra, the epithelium is made up of more than one layer of cells, where the apical layer is columnar. Another location it is found is in the conjunctiva of the eye. This type of epithelial tissue functions in protection like all epithelium types. It acts as the first line of defense against mechanical damage, pathogen infection, and keeping out other foreign matter from the tissue and structure underneath. It also functions in secretion. In the conjunctiva of the eye, they secrete mucus that functions in helping keep the eyes moist as well as clean. And that concludes this video on stratified columnar epithelium.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.